So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, turn the palms out, bring the arms up, palms together, and bring the hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up to the hands, exhale, follow them down. And again, inhale and exhale. Do two more. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. Inhale and exhale. And bring the arms in front of the body. Bring them up and around. Swap the arms over. Come up and around. You're just in your own time with natural breathing. Try and tune into the breath. And bring the arms down. So we're going to work on Warrior 3, balance pose. So stand on the right leg first, take the left leg out. And we'll try and bring the body parallel to the ground with the back flat. So don't worry about the leg too much at the moment. I'm going to do the other side. So we're going to do 3 on each side and progress. So standing on the left and then coming forwards. Body parallel to the ground, head in line with the spine. And then coming back up. So again, standing on the right, we'll inhale, exhale, coming forwards. And once you think you've got your body parallel and you're stable, try lifting the leg. Aiming to get it to hip height with the toes pointing down. We'll come down, do the other side. So standing on the left, we'll inhale, exhale, bring the body forwards and parallel, and gradually building and lifting that right leg. And keep the foot flexed, toes pointing down. And do one more each side, standing on the right, inhale, exhale, forwards. We get steady and lift in the leg, and if you want to, bring the arms forwards, maybe even the palms together. So lengthen, fingertips to the heel. Now we'll come down, do one more, standing on the left, coming forwards, lifting that leg. Bring the arms forwards if you want to. Remember, just working on your Warrior 3. And come on up. So standing pose, we're doing extended side angle. We start with the legs nice and wide, and then we turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled towards that right foot. A good bend in the front knee. Now keeping the body facing forwards, we lean sideways and bring that left arm up and across and turn to look to the sky. Or your variation. Remember, find a pose that does not hurt. So coming on up and turning around. The left foot 90 degrees, that left knee bent above the ankle, but not past the ankle. So that right arm up and across. Turn to look to the sky. and breathe. And come on up. So we'll do one more each side. So turning that right foot. So maybe sink a little deeper. Making sure we've got that line from the front heel to the back arch. So bring the arm up and across. So lengthen all the way down the side of the left body. And reach into the fingertips. And then come on up, turn the feet around. So keep the body in that one plane. Imagine that sheet of glass in front and behind. So just taking it to your level. And then we'll come back up. Bring the feet back to hip width. The good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down. Crown to the sky. Chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Now if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. And just notice if the body relaxes. Now open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.